I'm home alone here. I'm all alone. So let's see. I can do whatever I want. So I'm going to start out by throwing this on the floor. I'll start out by picking this up and putting it over there. Now, I'm going to move on to the kitchen. Let's see what mess we can make in the kitchen. First, let's turn on some lights. Alright, I'm going to take this empty can and throw it there. I want to take this grape and throw it there. There, now it's under the fridge. Ha! Now let's move on to the dining room. Let's turn this on. We're going to take this and throw it there. We're going to take this bag and throw it there. We're going to take this and throw it there.
What are you doing?
We're going to take Todd and we're going to give him a high five. Alright, now we're going to move on. We're going to take this and throw it there.
Why are you throwing stuff all over?
Because I wrote it down. I want to take this juice bag and throw it there. There.
You're a litter.
I want to take this and throw it there. Move on. And go here. Let's see. Let's turn on some more lights. I want to take a piece of gum and put it in my face hole. Hold on. I'll be right back. Just putting some gum. Alright. Now, I'm going to take this robot. Just stop. Do a robot. We're going to take this figure. Throw it there. We're going to take this Pop figure and put him up because he's awesome. Make sure to check out Pop. They're amazing. Now, we're going to take this and throw it there. I think we've done enough damage. We're rebels. I'll see you guys later.